So again, it's been a while, and during that while the world has crumbled into dust, and quite scary dust at that. Yeah. And because my lovely boyfriend went home yesterday and we don't really know when we'll be able to see each other again, yeah, a song happened. Let's do that. Oh, I got my hair cut, by the way. It's all bobby, sort of. 3 weeks till our anniversary, and we're stuck on different lands, trying not to touch our faces before washing our hands. Until it's time, I guess I'll be catching up on old TV, just waiting till I can come to you. Cause you tell the truth on instinct, you always add cream cheese. You make me laugh like no one else does. You warm me up when my toes freeze. You chose me and I chose you. That's all there really is to say. But for now, love, I'll keep away. So Skype take me this Tuesday. I miss those stormy eyes. Tell me what's up on WhatsApp. Send pics of panic bites. It's basic stuff, I know it's true. Suppose it's all that we can do. Just waiting till I can come to you. Cause you do the silly voices, you help me to feel strong. You're the one they always look to, though you did quote King Kong wrong. You chose me and I chose you. That's all there really is to say. But for now, love, I'll keep away. We're luckier than most, dear, with jobs and health and youth. The times are pretty frightening, and Dave, to tell the truth, I'll swap all the technology, but one this day I'll have to be just waiting till I can come to you. Cause you're kind right down the middle, you have the softest hair. You show up first with all guns blazing. You're really hard to scare away, because you chose me and I chose you. That's all there really is to say. But for now, love, I'll keep away. Until they open the cafe and pubs and parks and trains.